We will continue with Morph Transition. Morph Transitions in pictures. Then we will do Morph Transition in icons. We have done this before. We will do it in shapes. And we will try to use it in a timeline. As you see, this is a cool effect, isn't it? Let's see more cool effects. We'll use Morph Transition as a scanner. See? Let's see the scanning effect one more time. One more time, just for you. Let's do the same effect in a different picture. See, it's like an X-ray scan. Let's take a look at it once more. Here we go. Again. Thank you for watching this video. Press like and subscribe to get our latest. And we will use it as a lens. We will use all these cool effects only using Morph Transition. Nothing fancy. We will learn how to do this step by step. Come on in. Let's open a new blank presentation, and let's use blank layout. Let's go to transitions. We will use Morph Transition. But now let's take a screenshot of that. Then we will paste it into the slide. Crop. I only need the top part. Let me crop it this way. Let me get rid of the bottom part as well. Crop. Let's put it in the middle. Try to add some borders. Let me choose an appropriate color. And let me choose the right weight of the line. I just repeated the slide. Now let me make this picture larger. Let me try to adjust this slide by scrolling to the left. Then adjust the image. We are almost there. Let's see now. Slideshow mode. Let's see what happens if we go to the next slide. Nothing happened. What should we do then? Let's go home, select, we go to the selection pane. So this is picture 4. The name of the picture, we will just add 2 exclamation marks to the left of the name as a prefix. Then we will apply the same name here. So PowerPoint knows to morph into this picture. Let's try now. Let's go back to the next slide now. Let's go back. See the morphing effect. See you in the next video. We will learn how to do morph transition using shapes. We have 2 slides now containing the teardrop shapes. This is the first slide, this is the second slide with a nice morph transition. Let's start. Create a new slide. Then how do we do the teardrop shapes? We will go to Smart Art. From there we choose these shapes. We will choose these shapes. I need to add a third shape, so I will add. Then ungroup. I will delete the last one on the right because it looks like a circle, not like a teardrop. Now I have the 3 shapes that I need. Let me write here 1. Let's say this is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. This is 2. And here let me write 3. Change the color, embolden the color, and copy format to have a consistent look. Now, let me try to enhance the look. Shape effect, and you go to bevel, use this type. So it gives it a metallic look. I need also to do the same thing here. Go to bevel and change this. Plus 2, and I will change number 3 as well. Bevel, and I will choose this one. And I have to apply it to both the inner and the outer shape. Now I have the look that I need. You can do many enhancements if you wish. Let me duplicate the slide, copy and paste, or Ctrl+D, you will get a duplicate. This is the shape that I want to change to -45 degrees. I'm changing the eye drop only to -45 degrees. And the number 3 as well. Just type in here -45. Now I have let me start the slideshow and see what happens. Nothing happens. There is no transition, just moving from one slide to the other. Let me see if I go to transition and morph, what will happen now? شكرا لمشاهدتك هذا الفيديو. اضغط على زر لايك وزر الاشتراك عشان توصلك آخر فيديوهاتنا. Still nothing. It's trying to morph but it's not morphing the way I want it to. So what's wrong? Let's think what's wrong. What's wrong? First of all, we have to do some changes. The first change is go to select from the home tab. Then we need to change the name of the teardrops. They are called teardrops. Excuse me, maybe I said eye drops. Then here you just add 2 exclamation marks as a prefix, and I will call it drop. The second teardrop I will do the same, just calling it drop with a prefix of 2 exclamation marks. This one as well. I'll go to the second slide and give the same name with exclamation marks. Here as well. And now the last one, the last teardrop. Now let's start. Starting the slideshow. Nothing happened yet. We need to do some form modification. Let's see what we need to do. We go back to the slide. I have to ungroup those 3 shapes because they are grouped. Ungroup, and then this slide also I need to ungroup them as well. Let's see, starting the slideshow, still nothing happened. We have to do a final tweak. Let's see. Let me go back to the slides and see what I need to do. Let me go to transition and remove it, apply it again. Thank you for watching this video. Press like and subscribe to get our latest. Now let's see when we start the slideshow. Let me go back to the previous slide, forward to the next slide. Backward to the previous, to the next. Now I have it. See you on the next video.